Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2019 Toyota Yaris? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Yaris. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in a 2019 Toyota Yaris houses fuses for essential systems like the ABS, fuel injection, and lighting. It's located near the battery for easy access. A diagram inside the fuse box cover helps identify fuse functions. Passenger compartment fuse block. The passenger compartment fuse block in a 2019 Toyota Yaris is located under the dashboard on the driver's side. It protects circuits for interior features like power windows, audio, and climate control. A diagram on the panel cover provides a guide to each fuse's function.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.